Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we are going to study our fifth chapter, articles. What are articles? The words the, a or an are called articles. They come before nouns, that is name, place, animal, thing. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite articles. Indefinite article. A or an is called the indefinite article because it leaves indefinite the person or thing talked about. Which one do I use, a or an? Use of a and an. The indefinite noun is used before a singular countable noun. For example, an orange, a book, an apple, a snake, a cat. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. You know the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. For example, an axe, an inkpot, an honest man, an orange, an hour. A used before a word beginning with consonant sound. For example, a university, a European, a union, a unicorn, a useful. The definite article, there is only one definite article, the. The is called the definite article because it points out some particular person or thing. When we mention something for the first time, we use a or an. The next time we repeat that object, we use the definite article the. I live in a house. The house is quiet, old and has 4 bedrooms. In the first sentence, we are talking about a house, and then again we are talking about the same house in the second sentence. So we will use the before it. When the subject is unique, the sun rose at 6:17 this morning. The sun is a unique thing, so we will use the before it. With superlatives, this is the highest building in New York. Highest is superlative, so we will use the before it. With countries that have plural names, kingdoms or republics, I have never been to the Netherlands. With rivers, seas, oceans, deserts, the Pacific Ocean, the Sahara Desert, the Black Sea, etc. To describe where in a country or city, that is with the directions, there are 4 directions, east, west, north, south. You have to visit the south of France. When do I omit article? Before most proper nouns, names of person, names of countries, continents, cities, names of individual mountains, hills, individual islands, lakes. Before names of substances, this ring is made of platinum. Platinum is a substance. Before abstract noun, honesty is the best policy. Before countable, plural countable nouns used in a general sense. Children like toys. Before names of meals, have you had your lunch? So in this sentence, lunch is a meal, so we will not use the before it. Before languages, we are learning English. English is a language, so we will not use the before it. Before certain places when they are visited or used for their primary purpose. I go to college every day. Definitely the purpose of college, to go to the college is specific, that is to study, so we will not use the before it. Before names of relations, father, mother, uncle, sister, cook, maid, etc. This is your first assignment. Fill in the spaces with a, an or the. He looks as stupid as an owl. This is second assignment. Exchange your answers. Insert articles where necessary. One has been done for you. I have not seen him since he was. You have to insert an article here, so you'll put a slash and write a in the blank. This is what we have studied today. What are articles? Type of articles. Indefinite article. Use of a and an. Definite article, use of the, omission of article, and a few assignments. Hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you.